Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. Alright, USDCAD today analysis. So let's start the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are up, so the EMA is sloping up, as you can see. Okay, this is your slope trying to go up. This is your bullish signal coming back to daily chart, daily chart, daily chart. So we are in the uptrend. We are, see what happens. I'll tell you from experience. When USD-CAD, or rather when dollar comes in the uptrend in USD-CAD pair, you will hardly get a chance for a pullback. Canadian is a weak currency in comparison to dollar. Okay, so I can tell you from my experience that when USD CAD pair goes in the uptrend, you will hardly get a chance to get an entry. You will keep waiting for the price to come until the EMA, and the price will keep going up. That is USD CAD for you. Okay, so right now the price is at 3957, and you might say it will come down, it will come down. And I also want, as per the price action, I want the price to come and reject the EMA, and then we enter long. Okay, but we may not get the opportunity, and the price might easily reach 1.49 thousand pips from here, and you may never get the price to touch the EMA. Okay, that happens in USD CAD. That's realistic. Coming back to 4 hour, as per the price action. Okay, so this is your previous high, which is not broken yet. Okay, so we could go down. Well, time will tell. So let's see. 1 hour, 1 hour we are consolidating. Okay, but the price is above the EMA. 2 hour is right here. This high is not broken. Coming back to 4 hour. So in 4 hour, I can see this high is not broken yet. That will be my entry. Okay, so if you place your line right here, if this previous high breaks, that is your long entry. Otherwise, this blue candle, which looks like an engulfing candle. Okay, so if this is the uptrend, this is your long entry. This candle is your long entry if this is the uptrend. Otherwise, this is your downtrend, 78% pullback, and we might go down. You have to be very, very careful here. Okay, so that is why if you see, new low is created. This is your new low. Okay, new low, pull back until 78%, and we might go down. Okay, so I am not entering long at least until this high is broken. Okay, so this previous high has to break. Okay, if this candle or coming blue candles close above my black line now, then I will go long. Okay, otherwise this might go down, so we have to just keep an eye. But in daily and weekly, we are in the uptrend, so most probably look for longs only. Too much for free, so subscribe, like, What else? Join my free Telegram, join premium signals if you want, and join brokers. And I'll see you in my next videos. Till then, take care.